Is your Honda Accord's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are faulty door, hood switches, a weak key fob battery, or less frequently BCM issues. First, check all door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. These switches signal the alarm system when a door or the hood isn't fully closed. Use a multimeter to test their continuity. A closed switch should read close to 0 ohms. Next, replace the key fob battery with a fresh CR2032. Weak batteries often cause intermittent lock-unlock signals, triggering the alarm. If issues persist, inspect your Honda Accord 8th to 11th generations spanning 2003 to 2025 for any service bulletins. Many alarm issues can be fixed at home. Replacing a faulty door or hood switch is a straightforward DIY project, costing around $20 for the part. YouTube tutorials, like those by Eric the Car Guy, demonstrate how to reprogram your key fob using ignition key cycles. However, if the problem stems from the body control module BCM, especially in 2013-2017 models, consider getting a BCM reset at a dealership, often available for free under warranty. For newer Accords 2023 Plus, ensure your Honda Sensing Suite software is up to date, as these updates reduce false alarms. If DIY solutions fail, consult a mechanic as BCM replacements range from $200 to $500.